Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tactical Expedition, and today I want to review a genuine TRD, the oiled air filter cleaning kit, and that's the part number. And it's a genuine, the filter kit from Toyota dealer. And this is the oiled air filter that I use. And it's also genuine, and that is the part number. Okay, and this was in my car approximately 3 months, and I always change the air filter every 3 months when I had a paper one. So this time I took it out and I used this product to clean it at this point. Okay, so I'll show you why this is a bad product and go with the K&N aerosol oil kit is better choice for you. This kit is unusable. Okay, it's just it's a junk. I know I bought TRD product because I'm very brand loyal, so that's an actual TRD, and I just wanted to use all TRD products. Okay, and I'll show you what this consists of. So this kit is $45 from Toyota. Even the price tag is by Toyota, so you know it's genuine. So anyways, when you open this up, you get a receipt. They don't include the instructions at all. And one I ordered from the web, the picture that I ordered from eBay doesn't match what I ordered. And I'll show you. Okay. So, anyways, I will open this up. So it comes with the two spray nozzles. One's for the oil and one's for the cleaning solution. And here's an oil filter. Air filter oil. And there's the cleaning solution. Okay. I guess there's the instructions on the back. So this product works okay. You know, it's, you unscrew this, put this in there, and spray the filter so where it soaks up entire way, and you soak up the back. This is the dirty side and this is the clean side, because the air comes in through the bottom and it goes up and then goes to the engine. So the bottom is the dirty side, top is the cleaner side. But you spray both areas and you let it sit for about 10 minutes, and you spray water through the top to the bottom. So clean side to the dirty side, always. So you just run low pressure water, go back and forth, and dirty water and debris will fall out. And basically you let this dry for entire day until it's completely dry. Then you apply the oil. Okay, what you're supposed to do is plug that in and you spray it, right? But this nozzle doesn't work. So I set it on, it's hard to tell, but this is set on stream, but you can set on both. So there is a spray, right? I set it on spray and it shoots out stream like you're fucking pissing. Okay, so you cannot oil this. It doesn't spray on a mist form at all, like zero. So this product is unusable unless you pour it, you pour it, or you use a brush to brush it or something. But you can't over oil these filters. So I just wanted to test it to see if I can use TRD products for my TRD filter, but this product failed big time. Okay, and this is what I ordered. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is the eBay page, and that's because this product I heard really bad reviews on Amazon. Okay, everybody just gives 1 star, 2 star, saying this doesn't spray oil at all, so don't buy it, and they all returned it. So then I did some research, and this is another genuine Toyota TRD air filter cleaning kit, same part number, but I thought this oil was a different method of oiling this filter. So that's why I ordered this product for $43. By the way, you can order K&N kit for about $15. So buy that, okay? I'm not getting sponsored by K&N or anything like that, but just for you, my viewers, you just have to know, okay? I tested it, TRD product out, and I failed, okay? So just don't waste your time buying this crap. I think that's why they're phasing this out, because this oil at least have to be an aerosol can, okay? This the viscosity is too thick for the spray nozzle to be implemented, okay? This is fine. This is just generic cleaner, okay? I don't have any problem with that. But this product is $45. Come on, guys. So I try to use that to see if it works, but they don't have that. I think this is the updated model, and this is also genuine cleaning kit. So anyways, thank you for viewing, and I will come back to do more videos, the oiled air filter versus the paper air filter. But the sound difference between the oiled air filter and the paper air filter is night and day, even though I have TRD cold air intake system. Okay, that's why I was gonna throw this away and just use the paper filter. So I currently have a paper filter, but the sound is muted. I don't like it, so I'm going back to this. That's why I might just get the new one and pay like $80, or I might just get the K&N cleaning solution kit and just apply aerosol oil to this filter and reuse it. Okay, but anyways, thank you for viewing, and I will be back with another video. Thank you for viewing my video, and please subscribe, like my video. Thank you.